start with Star Aromas Designs. I just wanted to come on here and share with you some items that I received from Jesse James Beads. It's their Design Ambassador Program. I will leave a link down below to the Jesse James Beads website and to their Design Ambassador Program as well. And y'all can go and read about it and check it out. So, for this time, I received some items, and they were packaged by Kelly, and I would like to thank Jesse James Beads for sending these over. So, we're just going to jump right in. I will also leave a link down below to all of these items, so feel free to go and check them out and get you some items from Jesse James Beads. So, oops, my camera. The first thing that I have is their Pantone bead strand in Adobe. And this is gorgeous. I love these colors. These colors remind me of the fall. And so, I'm probably going to make a necklace or something out of these for fall. But let's see if this will, there we go. We have a beautiful, this crystal. It's like, kind of flat, and it has some frost right here on it. It's like frosted. And then we have spacer. These glass beads are gorgeous. And then you have, of course, bead caps. And I love the sparkly boho beads. Love them. We have a large hole bead that's ceramic. Some more spacers, a metal spacer. It's a filigree. And then we have a crystal, another one of these big beads, another crystal, glass bead, metal, spacers, another ceramic bead, and same on this side. So that is our bead strand in Adobe, Pantone bead strand in Adobe. The next thing we have is the Homestead, Frontier Pendant. I love this. This is so cool. And you could use it like it is, or you see all these holes right here. You could use jump rings, chain, to make like a tassel dangling from it. But we're going to use this with this bead strand right here to make a necklace. The next thing we have is Color Envy Mini Mix in Green Mamba. So, this is what it looks like. We're going to open it up. I want to get a couple of... Alright, I'm going to put two out here. Okay, we have two boho beads. And these are green. I love their boho beads. They're just always so pretty. We have these gorgeous AB crystal beads right here. This one has scratches on it, which is a little bit of a bummer. So, those are pretty. We have some glass beads, crystal beads, and these are like rondelle shape because they're squished and fat in the middle, faceted. And then we also have some like hunter green tassels to be cute for earrings. We have two leaf charms, and you could glue a post right here and use this as the top of your earring and then dangle stuff from here. That would be an option, or you could just hang them on the end of something, just like that. Okay, we also have these right here, these glass beads that are flat ovals. We have those. Next we have these beads, which are shell. They're very pretty. I love these ones. We have several. Oh, whoops. I'm trying to get them all out, but they're like sliding all over the place. Some are a little misshapen, but that's okay. And then It's a very pretty color. This reminds me of the ocean and the beach. We have these right here. These are metal, I assume. Metal. And they're hollow. These are interesting. Okay. Next, we have these black glass beads right here. They go up and down like this. There's 4 of them. Okay, next we have 2 of these faceted glass beads. And then we have these matte beads right here. We also have these right here, these frosted glass beads. And we have some tiny crystals. I don't know if you can see those or not. Those are tiny crystals. AB coating. Okay, so there's the Mamba, green Mamba. Let me zoom you back out a little bit. Okay, the green Mamba mix, Pantone mix. And then, last but not least, we have Dress It Up buttons. And these are called Tiny Bugs. These are perfect for spring. And this is what they look like. We have ladybugs. We have oh, I love the bumblebees. Those are so cute. And then we have a dragonfly, a purple dragonfly. We have a lighter yellow bumblebee. We have a dark yellow and a lighter yellow. And then we also have a purple dragonfly and a blue dragonfly. And that is all that is in the Dress It Up button mix. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment. Like the video. Subscribe. I'd love to have you as a member of my YouTube family. And I will leave a link down below to all these products and to Jessie James Bead's website and their Design Ambassador program. So I hope y'all have a blessed, fabulous day. Remember, don't let anyone dull your sparkle. You were born to shine. Bye, y'all.